So last week Instagram announced this feature, this IGTV feature to their Instagram, and they have applied, and you can see the TV icon in the top right corner where you can see direct chat, right or left, something like that. You can see the TV icon there. Just click on that and that is basically IGTV. You can post videos on that, and in Instagram stories you can post 15 seconds of video. In this you can post 10-minute or 1 hour longer video. For 1 hour longer video, bigger accounts which are having more followers, they can publish 1 hour longer videos, but for now we can use 10 minutes of this IGTV. So you can put 10 minutes of video in IGTV, and this is basically great for creators around the world which have to connect with their audience and engage with their audience. This is the best platform, and yeah. And if you can't see IGTV icon in the top right corner of Instagram, what you have to do is install the app of IGTV and log into your account in that app, and go to your Instagram account. You will probably see IGTV icon over there, and yeah, that's how you can make videos and publish on IGTV. And it's a pretty great platform to connect with your audience around the globe. So you can connect with your audience, and it's basically great. So you can use this platform to engage with your audience and to show some tips and tricks, and I'm also planning that. So follow me on my Instagram handle. Here is my personal handle and here is my Hightech handle. Follow me on both of the handles, please. And yeah. So this is the best platform I have seen till now, because every other day you get 1 or 2 followers if you are not posting or you're irregular, but you will get 1 or 2 followers at least. You have also seen that. So yeah, so IGTV is great, you should use it, and you can post the videos. And there are some rules before you post the videos. I must tell you, you have to make the content in vertical, not in horizontal. Obviously everybody using Instagram in vertical. So yeah, so the second tip is, before you post your videos, cross check everything, your title, your thumbnail, everything in the video, and then publish it, because you can't edit the video like YouTube. YouTube gives the option to edit your thumbnail again and description and title. You can't do it in IGTV. So you have to do it before you publish that video. So cross check everything, then publish it. Take your 10-15 minutes if you need it, and then post it. That's tips, and you can say rules for IGTV. And yeah, now the question arises, it is having monetization like YouTube? Well, but for now it is not having any of the monetization, but they are planning, Instagram is planning for monetization, and sooner or later they will give monetization. There is a rumor for now or you can say they have planned it. In 2019, you can say Instagram will give monetization for IGTV. I must tell you that they will give monetization, and yeah, but for now there is no monetization for this platform. This is free, and yeah, after that they will give monetization for this platform. Yeah, this was IGTV, this was the whole criteria. And one thing more, you can like the video in IGTV in vertical content. You can like, share, comment, and also report the videos if any of them are reportable. So you can report the videos, and this is the criteria of IGTV, Instagram TV. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you can hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button, then it will really make my day. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav, and I am signing out.
Survive.